Dip my toes in the waters. I once again just stood alone and thought, should I run away, run my way, or follow my heart and sing around the fire? It's a lonely open door where the sunlight tiptoes on the shore, where my angels and demons are running ashore. Like a dream back in the warmth, my hazy high and broken heart, looking right up to the sky and floating away with time. Just waiting on the word time. Let me go. Alone on a highway laid with fear, I'm feeling about this every day. I wanna climb up higher with my laid back desire. And I don't know and I can't decide, should I stay here, should I leave tonight?